Thank you for watching the earlier video that covered your upcoming orientation meeting. From here, we are going to cover 3 important topics. Number 1 is what we expect when submitting your delinquent tax file. Number 2 is a discussion on the GIS data. And number 3 is how we deal with paid properties that need to be removed from the file so that we don't post it by mistake after it has already been paid. We refer to these properties as ineligibles. So with that, let's cover topic number 1. As part of your orientation package that we sent to you via email, we included a document known as the Electronic Data Interchange. This document outlines exactly how to submit the delinquent tax file to us. Don't worry if you aren't personally a tech-savvy individual. The vendor that handles your county government software is tech-savvy, and they will understand fully what is expected. If you operate all activities in-house and don't rely on an outside vendor, the same thing applies. So the key on your end is to get this document into the right person's hands, which will allow them to compile the document on your behalf within the time frame required as part of the overall posting project. Everything data file related is on pages 7 through 16. Next, let's discuss the GIS data that is covered in the EDI on pages 19 through 22. For each parcel submitted in the delinquent tax file, we are going to need a corresponding parcel that is housed in your countywide GIS data file. Make sure that your GIS director or contractor has access to the EDI promptly so that they can provide this information to us within the required timeframe. At a specific point in the process, we will match up every entry in the delinquent tax file with the corresponding GIS parcel layer. Any entry that does not have a matching parcel will be sent back to you for you to research further. Any properties, after exhausting all efforts, that does not have a matching GIS record will have to be removed from the posting process. Next, let's discuss the ineligible files. In our terminology, an ineligible file is any property that you do not want to post for whatever reason, the majority of the time being that the property was recently paid, and there's nothing worse in our industry than attempting to post a property where the homeowner has recently paid their delinquent tax bill. So with that in mind, we have implemented a system that allows you to remove properties from the posting process. To load the newly created ineligible file, you will need to log on at postingpro.net with your username and password. When creating an ineligible file, you need to keep in mind the date of when you send us the original delinquent tax sale file and run your report to include that date until current. Be advised that we will only be able to process 500 records at a time with removing properties. Each ineligible file is fairly simple, but very important. So it is imperative that it be formatted properly. It must contain the following columns: state, county ID, delinquent year, county item number, and ineligible type. The delinquent year is the year that the delinquency occurred. The county item number is the unique ID number that you have assigned to an individual property, and the ineligible type is the reason that the county does not want this property to get posted. These 2 videos are just a couple of the proactive steps we've taken to ensure we meet your expectations. Please note that the kickoff meeting itself will be by phone only. We do not do video. The date and time will be listed based on a discussion we had with you prior to you reviewing these videos. There will be a phone number and PIN number referenced in the kickoff meeting email that you can share with all of those individuals you'd like to have participating in the kickoff meeting on your end. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to speaking with you then.